Up for sale, 1970 Buick Riviera GS. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 70 Riviera GS, finished in factory colors, which is burnished saddle metallic with the vinyl top. As you can see here, beautiful quality paint. Out of the long time Riviera collection, actually. I know the guy had 63 all up until the 80s when you're getting some of those unique option motors and convertible stuff. It's stuff that is out of my league. A little mark right there. But the paint's beautiful. The chrome trim glass is all gorgeous, as you see here. It's got its number matching 455 motor, which is about 370 horsepower from the factory. There's a little mark right there. But the chrome trim glass, like I said, and as I'm going to show you, you got the factory correct rally style wheel on there. Body is laser straight. It is all original body panels, fenders, doors, quarters, vinyl top, of course. Underneath the car, it's all original. There's no rust, and super, super nice, as you'll see in the pictures that I took. But let me pop the hood here quickly. There we go. 455, factory correct looking engine bay, factory AC. You see the power steering just down there, and the power brakes. Trim tag is in place. Under hood, nice factory original condition with the hood insulation in it. All the firewall components all the way around, very, very nice. Ow, I just need the bumper. Oh. Turbo 400 automatic. And I think I pointed out this little mark already, but we'll go down the car. The fitment all the way around the car, hood, doors, door and fender to this guy here, the pillar, back of the door, trunk lid, all the fitment's excellent. Just a few miscellaneous marks on it, and I know there's a couple bubbles right in the corner of the door. But as you see here, the paint's beautiful. You have that factory optioned or standard trim that goes down here that's painted the same color of the car. And the vinyl top is, again, not cut up. Nice to see that. Vinyl top is excellent, with no bubbles and no rips and no tears at all. So top is really, really nice. Let me see here. Yeah. So we'll go in the car, inside the car, bucket seats and console with that shifter, which is super cool, but I'll get to that. Power windows. Excellent quality door panels. Especially this like vinyl leather feeling almost right there. Bucket seats, gorgeous. Very nice quality, no rips in them. Same goes for the back seat. And as you see there, really, really nice. Factory 8-track added to it. Excellent dash. And I know that this wood grain is all original. I have a brand new set if you want that, but it was so nice original, I thought I would just leave it and just carry on with the new one if you wanted it. Gauges are awesome. No cracks in the dash pad, which is actually in very nice condition. And again, I love this shifter. I think this is such a cool design. Little tiny couple guys right there in the headliner, a little hole and a little rip on the seam, but the rest of it's pristine, and except for that little guy right there. The guy did tell me this was the original headliner in the car. The original headliner in the car. So again, one of those things, when it's super, super nice, why take it out and replace it with something crappy aftermarket? You see how straight the body is right there? And you got the molding there and lower there with no bubbles on it. And also kind of like a half fender skirt, which is a good look for the car. This rear section of the car is excellent. Again, chrome just like the rest of it. Trim, same deal. Even down there, it's very, very nice. And like I said, trunk fitment is the way it should be. We'll pop it open. A set of floor mats. I just kept them because they were Buick, they were tan, they went with the car. But it's got this factory carpet kit in there, and the under trunk with original jacking instructions on it. The original jack there with the original cardboard kit. Super nice. Package tray is nice. Carry on. You don't see too many Buick Riviera, their 1970 GS's really at all. I love this little light in the back as well. That's cool. No bubbles down there. Just wanted to emphasize the no. I mean, a couple marks on this trim there if I wanted to be picky, but that's, you know, that's the least of it. And again, in this corner of the door, 2 bubbles right there. I was just reading up a little bit on these cars. Now, if you're a Riviera guy, 63, when they were originally made, the inspiration was taken from, was a Ferrari and Rolls-Royce to create something that was luxury and sporty at the same time. And however, I believe it was 69, 70, they came up, or the designer of this car went with a little French inspiration. I can't tell you where the French inspiration is on the car, but something that I thought was kind of interesting. Really nice bucket seat. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Let us know. 70 Riviera Gran Sport. $455. Number matching, just showing a little how nice that lined up. Little chip. Number matching. Turbo 400. Power steering, power brakes. It does have factory AC. However, it is not working. Power windows. Bucket seats and console with the 8-track. Finished in factory colors. And out of a Riviera collection. So, we're getting to that point now where we're going to fire it up and take it around the block. Thank you.